This equation looks simple, but it will shock you. Can a negative number raised to a power becomes positive or negative? Let's test it. So let's take first x is equal to 1. Minus 3 whole power 1, which is equal to minus 3. Now take x is equal to 2. Then we get minus 3 whole square, and which is equal to 9. Now take x is equal to 3. Then we get minus 3 whole cube, which is equal to minus 27. If we observe over here, odd power goes to negative value and the even power goes to the positive value. So we never get the value as positive 3. So take x is equal to 1 by 2. So we get minus 3 whole power 1 by 2, which is square root minus 3. Which is a complex number, there is no real solution. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more interesting maths problems.